Learn English with Titanic movie. You won't believe how Titanic teaches English tenses. Mind-blowing. Part 5 of 10. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Which of the following is a time marker of the simple past tense? A. At the moment. B. 2 days ago. C. Next week. Correct answer, 2 days ago. Example from Titanic movie, they met 2 days ago at the bow of the ship. Which of the following is a time marker of the past continuous tense? A. Always. B. While. C. Tomorrow. Correct answer, while. Example from Titanic movie, Jack was drawing while the ship sailed. Which of the following is a time marker of the past continuous tense? A. Every day. B. When. C. Later. Correct answer, when. Example from Titanic movie, the band was playing Juice when the collision happened. Which of the following is a time marker of the past continuous tense? A. Right now. B. All evening. C. Soon. Correct answer, all evening. Example from Titanic movie, many passengers were dancing all evening. Which of the following is a time marker of the past continuous tense? A. Presently. B. At 11:40 p.m. C. Often. Correct answer, at 11:40 p.m. Example from Titanic movie, the Titanic was sailing smoothly at 11:40 p.m. Like, comment and subscribe.